Amnesty International labels Israel's oppression of Palestinians cruel. Along with many other prominent human rights organizations, Amnesty International has declared that Israeli policies against Palestinians amount to apartheid under international law. Israeli lawmakers reacted angrily to the report, demanding that it be retracted. Yair Lapid, Israel's foreign minister, was one among several to dismiss the claim as inaccurate. The Palestinian Authority, on the other hand, praised the report and expressed the hope that it would pave the way for charges against Israel to be brought before the International Criminal Court. All political and diplomatic means should be used to ensure that Israeli authorities adopt the recommendations in this report, and that any collaboration or activities with Israel should be reviewed to ensure that they do not support or perpetuate apartheid. Amnesty International has joined Human Rights Watch and the Israeli rights organization B'Tselem in accusing Israel of apartheid in the past year, with the 278-page report prepared over a 4-year period by the London-based rights organization. Allegations of Israeli apartheid inside Israel are more contentious than assertions of apartheid in territories taken by Israel in 1967, particularly the West Bank, where 2 separate legal and administrative systems are in place for Palestinians as well as Israelis. When B'Tselem claimed that Israeli policies were geared to ensure Jewish domination from the Jordan to the Mediterranean, Israeli lawmakers slammed B'Tselem. Worldwide human rights organization Human Rights Watch formally accused Israel of apartheid in April last year, part of a rising international effort to recast the Israeli-Palestinian conflict as a battle for equal rights rather than a territorial issue. Israeli authority over the occupied territories has become stronger, and Israel's opposition to the concept of a Palestinian state has grown stronger in recent years. Apartheid is not a thing in Israel, as the country's Arab people have equal rights under the law. Palestinians in occupied regions have distinct experiences than Palestinian citizens of Israel, which complicates the problem. In spite of having citizenship and the ability to vote, Palestinians who stayed in Israel under military rule until soon before the 1967 war endure substantial discrimination in employment and housing markets.